English conversation practice with common questions and answers. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Emma.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Florida.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What do you do for work?
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
What day is it today?
It's Sunday.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
What are your hobbies?
I like to cook.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Do you like to travel?
Yeah, I enjoy exploring new places.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I'm good. Thanks.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet. Not yet.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring. I like autumn.
Have you ever been to America?
No, but I would love to go.
Do you play any musical instrument?
Yeah, I play the guitar.
What's your dream vacation?
I would love to visit the Maldives.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
How's your family doing?
They are doing well. Thank you.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
When will the meeting finish?
I don't know.
How long have you been working here?
I have been working here for 5 years.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
Do you get my message?
Yes, I did.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 10 minutes.
Can I speak to Smith, please?
Sorry, he is not here at the moment.
Is there a bank near here?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
How long does it take?
It takes an hour.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes.
Where do you want to go?
I would like to go to the beach.
Could we have lunch together?
With pleasure.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friends.
What's your favorite color?
I like black.
How's the weather today?
It's hot and sunny.
Do you prefer traveling by train or plane?
I prefer plane.
What do you usually do during trip?
I visit museums.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to London last year.
How many countries have you traveled to?
I have traveled to many countries.
How long will you be staying?
I am here until the end of the month.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes, I have.
What time do you close?
We close at 8 pm.
Do you need any help packing?
No thanks, I can manage by myself.
Can you offer me any discount?
Yes, of course.
How much would you like?
I would like 1 kg.
Could you tell me where the fruit is?
It's on the shelf.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I am looking for keys.
What's the purpose of your trip?
I am on vacation.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
How long have you been feeling like this?
For 1 week,
What are your symptoms?
I have got a headache.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy playing tennis.
What kind of film do you like?
I like horror and action films.
Where do you study?
I am student at Oxford University.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 am.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
What is your major?
I am majoring in maths and English
Why are you studying English?
because it's very important and necessary.
What do you want to do after you graduate?
I aspire to be a programmer.
How did you learn English?
I took an intensive course.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English very well.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning English since I was 10.
Which year are you in?
I am in the 3rd year.
Do you have any exams coming up?
I have graduated.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is computer science.
How's the weather?
It's rainy.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to the zoo.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I'm fine.
What did you do last night?
I went to the park.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Do you like to take photos?
Yeah, I enjoy taking pictures.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment in the city.
Do you like to read books?
Yeah, I enjoy reading books.
How's the weather today?
It's hot and sunny.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to London last year.
What's your favorite color?
I like black color.
When will the meeting finish?
I don't know.
How's your family doing?
They are doing well. Thank you.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What day is it today?
It's Sunday.
How long have you been working here?
I have been working here for 5 years.
How long does it take?
It takes an hour.
Could we have lunch together?
With pleasure,
What do you usually do during trip?
I visit museums.
What is the purpose of your trip?
I am on vacation.
Thank you for watching and kindly keep subscribed to update new videos. Goodbye.